Breaking medical news. A common constipation drug could change the future of kidney disease. Researchers from Tohoku University have discovered that Lubiprostone, a drug often prescribed for constipation, may actually slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. In a clinical trial with 150 patients, those taking the drug saw significantly less decline in kidney function compared to placebo. Here's the science. By restoring gut balance, lubiprostone boosts production of a natural compound called spermidine. This improves mitochondrial health, reduces inflammation, and protects the kidneys. Patients on higher doses showed stronger protection, the first time a constipation treatment has ever demonstrated this effect in humans. Why does this matter? Chronic kidney disease often leads to dialysis or kidney failure, and until now, no drug has been approved to directly improve kidney performance. This breakthrough could transform CKD care and even help with other disorders linked to mitochondrial dysfunction. The next step is a large phase 3 trial. If successful, a simple gut-targeted drug could redefine how doctors treat kidney disease. This is Informatics, where you get the latest science and health breakthroughs. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you don't miss the discoveries shaping our future.